3, 2, 1.
Which German field marshal was known as the Desert Fox? The answer is B. Erwin Rommel. Which animation studio produced the anime adaptation of XXXHolic? The answer is D. Production IG. In the GameCube version of Resident Evil, what text document is open on the monitor of the computer in the visual data room? The answer is D. A GDC document. Where in the human body is the pineal gland located? The answer is A. Brain. In the Dragon Ball franchise, what is the name of Goku's brother? The answer is B. Raditz. In the SH-MUP series, Darius, what is the name of the antagonist faction you fight against? The answer is B. Belsar. How many heads does Cerberus have? The answer is C. 3. What was the last Aphex Twin album released before his decade-long hiatus? The answer is C. Drux. Green Eggs and Ham is a book by which author? The answer is D. Dr. Seuss. In what year did Steaua Bucuresti win the European Cup, actual UEFA Champions League, against FC Barcelona? The answer is A. 1986. Which Manchester nightclub was considered central to the Manchester music scene in the late 80s? The answer is D. The Hacienda. Which was the first Call of Duty Zombies map to introduce the Wunderwaffe DG2? The answer is A. Shi no Numa. Who are the two protagonists of the game Yakuza 0? The answer is B. Kazuma Kiryu and Goro Majima. Who discovered the law of gravity? The answer is B. Sir Isaac Newton. Earth is located in which galaxy? The answer is B. The Milky Way galaxy. About how much of their body weight in food do sea otters eat every day? The answer is D. 25%. What five-letter word is the motto of the IBM Computer Company? The answer is B. Think. What is the area of Vatican City? The answer is D. 0.44 km2. A minotaur is half human, half what? The answer is D. Bull. Which character was played by Dustin Diamond in the sitcom Saved by the Bell? The answer is C. Screech. What was Sir Donald Bradman's batting average in Test matches? The answer is A. 99.94. Which of the following films was not directed by Quentin Tarantino? The answer is A. From Dusk Till Dawn. In Rainbow Six Siege, what is Maz's real name? The answer is A. Max Goose. Which card is on the cover of the beta rulebook of Magic: The Gathering? The answer is A. Bog Wraith. Which artist composed the original soundtrack for Watch Dogs 2? The answer is B. Hudson Mohawk. What was George Michael's chart-topping 1987 debut studio album? The answer is D. Faith. What is the name of the default theme that is installed with Windows XP? The answer is B. Luna. Which character does voice actress Tara Strong not voice? The answer is C. Bubbles 2016. During WW2, in 1945, the United States dropped atomic bombs on the two Japanese cities of Hiroshima and what other city? The answer is C. Nagasaki. Who had a US and UK #1 hit in 1962 with the instrumental Telstar? The answer is B. The Tornadoes. The website Shut Up and Sit Down reviews which form of media? The answer is C. Board games. Whose 2016 presidential campaign slogan was Make America Great Again? The answer is C. Donald Trump. What were the first two blocks in Minecraft? The answer is A. Grass and cobblestone. Which of the following is not a Russian car manufacturer? The answer is A. BYD. Who painted the Sistine Chapel?
The answer is A. Michelangelo.
Who was the first white band to play the Apollo Theater? The answer is C. Buddy Holly and the Crickets. Which Grand Theft Auto GTA games have the same setting? The answer is C. GTA V and GTA San Andreas. Which of the following is not a capital city? The answer is B. Sydney. On which aircraft carrier did the Doulet raid launch from on April 18, 1942 during World War II? The answer is B, USS Hornet. Which actor plays the character Tommy Jarvis in Friday the 13th, the final chapter 1984? The answer is C, Corey Feldman. What was the first sport to have been played on the moon? The answer is C, golf. Which form of President used let's make him activate again as a campaign so did Donald is as a campaign? The answer is A, Ronald Reagan. In pre-Super Genesis universe of Sonic the Hedgehog comic, what was the name of Sally Acorn's brother? The answer is B, Elias Acorn. In the remake of Resident Evil 2, which medallion does not exist? The answer is C, Dragon Medallion. What is the name of New Zealand's indigenous people? The answer is A, Maori. Who voices for Ruby in the animated series RWBY? The answer is B, Lindsay Jones. How many chromosomes are in your body's cells? The answer is B, 23. Nephalokakija is the practice of doing what? The answer is B, finding shapes in clouds. What is the largest rapid transit system in the world by number of stations, with 472 stations in operation? The answer is D, New York City Subway. What was Studio Trigger's first original long-form animated series for television?